Today, 26 November, we are celebrating Constitution Day, drafted by Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar ji. So today we are here to conduct the activity on this.
A constitution is a foundational document that outlines a nation's basic principle, structure, and fundamental laws.
Following the Government of Indian Act 1935, it was realized that India needed some clear rules to establish a sovereign and democratic republic. The elections for the Constituent Assembly of India were held in 1946 in the month of July and August.
Elections were conducted to form an assembly to draft the Constitution of India. 292 members were elected for a Constitution Assembly. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president and to form a country's first president.
The Constitutional Assembly was formed in 1946, tasked with drafting of the Constitution. Bhimrao Ambedkar is regarded as the principal architect.
Nearly 3 years of deliberation and the final date was adopted on 26 November 1949. It is the time of Indian transition from a colonial legal system from its own government.
Longest written constitution in the world, containing 395 articles, which has since then grown with amendments.
The Constitution came into effect in January 26, 1950, which is celebrated as Republic Day. It ensures the liberty, equality, and freedom of the people.
It guarantees individual rights such as freedom of speech and equality before the law. Our constitution provides equal opportunities to each citizen to reach for the justice. It is easily approachable and it is easily accessible for the country's peace.
Our constitution is a secular constitution because our country has no particular religion, accommodation and acceptance of every religion. India is one of the best secular countries.
It emphasizes the importance of constitution by protecting freedom and right. It ensures the equality, justice and the dignity of all the citizens. It strengthens the democracy and it defines the framework of the government and the separation of power.
The Constitution of India serves the supreme law of the land, guiding legal and political framework of India and enhance the dignity of citizens as well.
We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved, to constitute India, जय हिंद।
आप सभी को एनपीएस परिवार की तरफ से संविधान दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।